In today's video, I am going to teach you how to export contacts from Freshsales. This is a useful task when you need to store a copy of a contact record outside of Freshsales, share details with a teammate, or keep a backup for reporting. Before you begin, make sure you are signed in to your Freshsales account and that you have access to the contacts area. Also, keep in mind that the export is delivered through email, so you will want to have access to the inbox connected to your Freshsales user. Start by looking at the left side vertical navigation bar in Freshsales. Find the contacts icon. It looks like a person's silhouette. Click that contacts icon to open the contacts section. This takes you to your contacts list view, where you can browse and search through the records in your account. Next, locate the specific contact you want to export. In the list view, look for the name column and find the record you need. When you see the correct person, click directly on their name. This opens the full contact page, where you can review details like profile information, recent activity, and any fields your team uses. Now that you are on the contact record itself, move your attention to the top right area of the page. Here, you will see a three-dot icon, sometimes called the More Options menu. Click the three dots to open the menu, then select Export. This tells Freshsales that you want to generate an export for this specific contact. After you select Export, Freshsales will process the request and send the export to your email. The message may take a few moments to arrive, depending on system activity. When it shows up in your inbox, open the email and download the attached export file. If you do not see it right away, check your spam or junk folder and confirm you are looking at the correct inbox for your account. Once the download is complete, you can save the file where you store your customer data and use it as needed. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.